Top 5 Best Garbage Disposals. Number 5. Moen GX100C Chef Series 1 Horsepower. What we love: pre-installed power cord, removable splash guard, stainless drain stopper, quiet, safe to use with septic systems. What we don't love: expensive. Septic tanks require special handling because they are not connected to the city or county wastewater systems. They break down waste by maintaining a balance of organic waste and enzymes. The finer the solid matter is as it enters the tank, the easier it is for the septic system to break it down. The Moen GX100C Chef Series is a powerful 1 horsepower, continuous feed disposal system that will break down the toughest foods and is septic safe. The disposal unit features a vortex permanent magnet motor that finely grinds food waste and helps reduce jamming. It has a compact design that is lightweight for easier installation and won't take up a lot of valuable space under the sink. Also, it's backed by a 10-year warranty. Coming in number 4. InSinkErator Garbage Disposal Badger 5. What we love: easy to install, pre-installed power cord, reasonably priced. What we don't love: noisy. For couples or small families that don't cook too often, the InSinkErator Badger 5 is a suitable choice. Like all the InSinkErator disposals, the Badger features a rugged galvanized steel construction for durability. The disposal is powered with a 1/2 horsepower motor and can break down soft food waste with ease, but may have trouble with tougher kitchen scraps. Measuring 11.5 inches in height, it's designed for light use in non-busy kitchens. The unit, which comes with a 3-year warranty, is pre-wired and easy to install for most homeowners. Coming in number 3. Wastemade 10 USWM 658 3B. What we love: powerful motor, power cord included, affordable, safe to use with septic systems. What we don't love: hard to install. Large families or active kitchens that produce plenty of cooking debris need a powerful garbage disposal. The Wastemade 658 disposal is a continuous feed unit that features a 1.25 horsepower magnetic motor and stainless steel blades that will grind the toughest kitchen scraps effortlessly. The appliance comes with a silver guard accessory magnet that helps catch jewelry, utensils, and other metal objects before they enter the disposal. It also features a permanently molded bioshield agent that eliminates the bacteria and microorganisms that cause odor. The Wastemade 658 is an affordable and powerful garbage disposal but may require a plumber to install. Coming in number 2. InSinkErator Garbage Disposal Evolution XL. What we love: Sound Seal Plus, quick lock sink mount, multi-grind stainless steel blades. What we don't love: expensive, no power cord included. The InSinkErator Evolution XL is essentially the larger, 1 horsepower version of the InSinkErator Evolution Compact. Larger garbage disposals have more insulation around the motors, which in turn makes them quieter. In addition to the extra insulation, the Evolution XL features Sound Seal Plus technology that includes vibration-reducing connections and a special sink baffle to block noise from coming up through the sink opening. The appliance is also a 3-stage grinder. Its stainless steel blades can grind up fibrous vegetables and chicken bones with ease and little worry of jams or clogs in the plumbing. The grinding chamber can hold up to 40 ounces of waste, and the disposal is backed by a 10-year warranty. The InSinkErator Evolution XL is efficient, durable, and quiet, and one of the most powerful garbage disposals on the market. Coming in number 1. InSinkErator Evolution Compact 3/4 horsepower. What we love: 0.75 horsepower DuraDrive induction motor, quick lock sink mount, multi-grind stainless steel blades. What we don't love: power cord not pre-installed. This continuous feed garbage disposal features a 0.75 horsepower motor and stainless steel internal grind components. The InSinkErator Evolution Compact Garbage Disposal is powerful enough to grind potato and carrot peels without all the noise commonly associated with garbage disposals. That noise reduction is thanks to the machine's Sound Seal Plus technology that features multiple layers of insulation and a sink baffle, the rubber piece installed between your sink and the garbage disposal. The InSinkErator Evolution Compact also features 2-stage grinding technology, which processes food twice to produce an ultra-fine grind that won't clog your plumbing system. With a height of 12.1 inches, its compact design is perfect for homes with restricted space under the sink. Best of all, it's easy to install, but you will need to purchase the power cord separately.